Hey guys, here we are on the delivery trail. We're in Harborview. Harborview always so nice and quiet though. Like I go come live out here. Auntie, walk on. Your daughter say, you know, I'm going to give her a whole heap of trouble. I'm going to party. So, oh yeah, move like say you. I'm my bodyguard. I'm going to move, sir. Watch him smile. He have a nice little smile and then I go like in tough. Hey, I have a package for your big daughter. Yeah. And she said, yeah, I collect it. She said, I'm not getting no trouble. If I just get the package and hurry up and go back to my business place. Okay. And I decided to say, I'm going to do just that. Okay. What you cook today, though? No soup? What kind of soup? Probably like a soup with a bubble in there. Local soup. You know, it was salt that chicken chatters soup or like beef and something in it. What kind? Foot. Chatters, chicken chatters. Foot nice, I enjoy foot still. I enjoy foot. Anyway, as I say, I keep it because the soup is important and you know you can't tell me nothing about the service because you just collect the package. Right. I love the hair though. Thanks. Yeah, come here about. Are your grandson or something? My nephew. Your nephew? Yeah. Watch him. But I saw him go on anything with food. Can't tell us that him are the boss, you know? Yeah. Him are the boss, don't? What's your name? Daniel.
My actual name is Ronaldo Williams.
Ronaldo Williams? Yeah, so where did Daniel come from?
Pet name.
A pet name? So you can play football?
Yeah.
No, bossy. But see you have the ball over there and dust upon the ball. So it look like you're not playing no football at all.
Because rain fall.
Rain fall? Oh. So look a rain afraid of? Look a rain afraid of?
I'm sick.
You're sick? Oh, what kind of sickness? Flu? No, so you're going to go to school next week, Wednesday though?
No.
You know why? When you go back to school?
Tuesday. Yep, Tuesday.
Tuesday? Oh, okay. All right, which school you go?
Windward Road.
Oh, okay. Which grade are you in now?
4.
Oh, you're a big boy.
Yes.
You're a big boy. Nice.
9-year-old.
9-year-old. You like it there?
When I go, yeah. I don't, I'm not going to go to school April the 17th because I'm going back to the doctor.
You're going back to the doctor? Okay, well, I hope you get better. All right, bodyguard. You take care of Auntie, all right? Auntie, love the hair. I don't know where you do teeth, but I like it. Thanks. All right, enjoy your day. All right? Yeah, man. All right, big boss. Yeah. There you have it. We're on the delivery trail. You know we love what people them, and we love soup, especially chicken trotters soup. We're off.